So sorry, that got cut off. So now I'm going to do it again. Y equals 2x. Come up with a number for x. So let's say x is 2. So y is equal to 2, and I plug in x for 2. So y, 2 times 2 is 4. So x is 2, y is 4. The next one, let's say x is 3. So y is equal to 2 times 3. So y is equal to 6. So my coordinates are 3 and 6. So then I go over here and I plot those points. 2 and 4, so I go over 2, up 4. I'm sorry, I went over 2, up 4. And then my other one was 3, 6. So I go over 3, I went over 3 and up 6. And that's it, and submit it. So this one's a little bit bigger of an equation. Y equals 2x plus 1. So y equals 2x plus 1. So again, my x's are all positive on my graph. So I'm only going to be plugging in positive numbers for x. And keep it simple. You could even do 0 if you wanted. Let's do 0. So y is equal to 2 times 0 plus 1. So y is equal to 0 plus 1. So y is equal to 1. So my coordinates are 0 and 1. The next one, let's make it 2. Doesn't really matter. You could plug in 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever. So y is equal to 2 times x plus 1. So 2 times 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. So my coordinates are 2 and 5. So over here, the first one was 0, 1. I go over 0 and up 1. And then my next one is going over 2, up 5. All right, so that's basically the same thing you're just gonna keep doing. If you're okay, I said you could pick any number, and this will be my last one because I wanna show you, yes, you can pick any number, but sometimes it might be too big to fit on your graph. So let's say I picked 3 for my first x. So 3 times 3 is 9. So, I'm sorry, I wrote x and it should be 3. So x was 3, y was 9. So it's 3, 9. So let's say I picked 5 for my x on the next one. So y is equal to 3 times 5. So my plots would be 5 and 15. But you'll see that 5 and 15 won't fit. I went over 5, up 15, there's no room. So you need to pick another smaller number. So my 3, 9 one would work, 3, 9. But think about it. If the next one, I'm multiplying, basically, you're just multiplying x times 3. So I'm probably not gonna be able to go bigger than 3. So I need to pick, for what I mean by that. So let's say I did 4. So y is equal to 3 times 4. So y would be 12. Again, that's too big. So we need to pick a smaller number than 3. Since 3 was at 9, we should pick 2. So 2, y is equal to 3 times 2. So y is equal to 6. So it would be 2 and 6. So I go over 2. Now look, so if you accidentally click a dot here, let's say I accidentally click there, you just re-click it or double click it, and then you can move it around. So that one was 2 and 6. So I go over 2, up 6. And that stupid later button. All right. And that'll do it. Okay. So message me if you need help. I can explain it to you further. Good luck. Bye.